Hello and welcome to this online training course. My name is Neill Taylor. For several years I was head of the Nuclear Safety Division at ITER. During this course I'll be presenting some information to you with the aim of developing a sound and sustainable nuclear safety culture in the ITER project. Here we are focusing on the more hands-on parts of the project activities in manufacturing, construction, assembly and commissioning. Attending this course should last no longer than about 1 hour. You can stop the course presentation at any time and continue when it is more convenient for you. First, I'll give you a brief overview of the course content. We'll start by presenting some basic technical information. This is important for understanding the global context of your work and the related impact on nuclear safety and the supporting culture. Then we'll discuss why the nuclear industry is different from others, such as the chemical or aviation industry. As you must be aware, their activities also entail risks for people and the environment. Of course, in the ITER project, we will have to achieve safety objectives so that during ITER operation, the nuclear risks will be controlled. Consequently, in the project, many safety functions must be implemented to mitigate these risks. However, achieving safety objectives relies not only on the hard implementation in ITER itself, including its buildings, its equipment and the related software, but also to a large degree on the safety culture in the project. Here we must think about the safety culture in all related organisations, like the ITER organisation, and also subcontractors like your own company. So we will conclude our course by presenting how the behaviour of management and of all individual staff involved will contribute to a sound nuclear safety culture. This will include yourself, so that finally you too will contribute substantially to the success of the ITER project. By the way, at several points during the course, you will have the opportunity to check your understanding by answering some short questions. Of course, we not only expect you to learn a lot through this course and extend your knowledge, we also expect that you will apply this newly learned knowledge in your daily work. That means your attitude, your motivation and your behaviour will be adapted to help sustain a healthy safety culture. After working through the course, you should be able not only to describe the main mission of ITER, but also to explain why ITER will become a nuclear facility. So, while explaining some nuclear risks that must be managed, you should also be able to list some of the related protective measures, or as we'll call them later, some ITER safety functions. This will lead us to nuclear safety culture. Why is it so important? What is it? And what are its main elements? Very important. You should be able to list some responsibilities of managers and individuals regarding nuclear safety culture, and which personal behaviours will reinforce this culture. This will contribute to a healthy and sustainable nuclear safety culture. At the end, we'll ask you for your comments on the course and also check whether you've succeeded in achieving the training objectives as listed here. This will be done through a short quiz where we'll ask you about the main topics that I'll present during the course. Thank you for your attention.